We got lost during our evening walk. The boy can't sleep. We'll be going now. Good night. There's somebody in my window. Suspiciously quiet, but... Stop! There's a faint greenish glow flickering in the windows. They're doing the amber. Not the ember. Okay. I think someone's upstairs. He's under my bed, isn't he? What was that? Well, she be blowing. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's just the wind. It's just the lighthouse settling. Yeah.